In today's video, I am going to review a book called 80-20 Principle written by Richard Koch. Richard Koch has more than 20 books under his belt, but his business career was considerably short as he retired at the age of 40 after co-founding his own consulting company. In life, there are rules that make difference between success and failure, happiness and misery, anxiety and personal satisfaction. In this book, you will find the rules that will help you to guide your existence in the right direction. The reasonable man adapts himself to the world. The unreasonable one persists in trying to adapt the world to himself. The 80-20 percentage is the author's most popular book and his way of sharing his perspective and the use of Pareto principle throughout his business and his life. In a nutshell, by identifying what you are good at and then doing more of it, success will come easily. In all aspects of life, 80 percentage of the results, outcomes, consequences are come from the 80 percentage of the input, efforts, and causes. Richard Koch is the first person to write a book to present how individuals and group can apply the 80-20 principle to achieve more results with a less effort. The principle aims to show the fundamentally unbalanced way in which the worlds work. Originally pointed out by Italian economist Pareto, this is also known as Pareto's law. So here are the three good lessons to get started with this powerful idea. First one, people expect life to be fair and balanced, but it is not. Second, the most important aspect of any business can optimize in their product range. Third, you don't need an exact number to use the 80-20 principle. The 80-20 principle should be practiced by every individual person to wish to accomplish more with less effort and make each one of us happier and improve their performance in their work. So, why the 80-20 principle is so important? Whether you realize or not, this principle applies to your life, your social world, and your work environment. Good understanding of this principle will give you an exact idea of what is really happening around you. To engage in 80-20 thinking, we have to keep ourselves asking what is the 20 percentage things which lead to the 80 percentage things in our life. We can use this 80-20 thinking to change our behavior and focus all our attention that counts the topmost, the 20. We tend to believe that innovation is a difficult thing, but through imaginative use of the 80-20 principle, innovations become very easy and fun. Remember these points when applying 80-20 principle. Be selective. Working harder in every area won't bring results. Seek excel to in fewer things that matters the most. Remove or outsource the most to others. Keep your resources moving from low value to high value uses. There is no such thing as luck in success. When things go exceptionally well or bad, look for the hidden causes at work. The 80-20 principle is a rock solid. I was convinced that seeing Richard take a very universal perspective has helped me to think more of ways to how can I apply this 80-20 rule in my own life to get most out of it. It inspires you to take a different mindset and wrap around your head around the imbalance we see in our day-to-day life instead of fighting against them. Small changes can have a huge effect, but it all depends on when and how the changes were made. So I recommend every individuals to read about this book and apply this 80-20 principle in their life to get most out of their efforts and get most output. Thank you.